Okay, what are we doing here?
Okay, so here we're filling a little mushroom tray full of compost to grow some winter salads.
Okay.
So this week, that is essentially the last week in September, we've been giving out sets of 24 modules of salad modules for people to grow at home, simply to give some more stuff out, really. And none of these winter salads need very, very deep soil, so they can grow very, very successfully in a tray like this.
Brilliant.
Which you can just find in the market.
Okay.
Because they throw loads of them out.
So you're not putting plastic on the base of this?
No, we're just putting a bit of, really a sheet of newspaper. This is some cardboard, but you're better off with newspaper.
Okay.
Just to hold the compost in while you're filling it in. It will have rotted down by the spring, but by then the roots of the crops will have stopped any mess.
Okay.
And I'm just putting a bit of plastic around the side, just to stop it drying out on the side.
Okay.
Because that's where you'll get moisture loss and things.
Okay.
Then you fill it with compost.
Yep. So you're saying
pretty
about
much any kind of multi-purpose compost will do. Anything you've got.
Yeah.
Maybe even old compost from your summer pots.
Okay. So you're filling it to about 2-3 inches.
You're just filling the whole thing up. So you're just filling it right up to the top. So it's about 2 inches.
Okay. Great.
Now one of these takes about 7 litres of compost if you're buying them from the shops.
Okay.
So a 40-litre bag will do 4, maybe 5 of these.
Okay. Great.
And then how many plants do you put in? Well, don't have to put very many in. One of these, 6 plugs.
What's that you're putting in?
So this is one of the crops we've been giving out. This is mustard, I think golden frills.
Okay.
This is another one. This is from our Save Seed. This is a red leaf mustard. Again, it's going to be like a Japanese mustard.
Right. Oh, so you can mix. You can mix and match
you can mix
whatever
up,
you want to put in.
You can mix up anything you want.
Yeah.
And then we're going to put some landcress in at the last one. Landcress is a really good winter salad. It's really hardy and really tasty.
And we're giving these out.
And we've been giving these out all week. So tomorrow is your last day. But really, this video is for the people who've already taken their plant, just to remind them what they can do with it.
Okay.
Put them in. Bum.
Yeah.
Bum, bum, bum.
Yeah. You're quite brutal with these.
No, bum. Because you want to have a good contact between the...
And then you have to water.
And then you water it. In fact, I'm going to add some more compost because some of that compost was a bit loose.
Okay.
There you are. That's all you've done.
Brilliant.
And that will keep yielding salad leaves until the spring. You will get a lot more if you've got any kind of protective structure. It doesn't have to be anything fancy. Even a really cheap flimsy greenhouse or cloche or anything, you'll get much better production. But yeah, it will work. So try this on your balcony where it's sheltered in the sunny spot.
Excellent. Yay. Thank you, Fabrice. Excellent.
Okay, in case you're wondering where I got the idea, it's not mine. It's from Charles Dowding, who's got the best vegetable growing website ever. Channel ever on YouTube, and you really want to check it out because
what's he called again?
Charles Dowding, D-O-W-D-I-N-G. He's also got some really, really good books.
Okay, brilliant.
Really, really, really brilliant books.
And he's a hero of yours, is he?
Well, he's just really good at what he does.
Okay, brilliant.
And he's very, very calm. He's very clear.
Yeah.
And really helpful.